Dear brothers, you will be able to speak English like a real native speaker. Just give me 2 minutes, and 2 minutes is, I think, enough for your journey. So just give me 2 minutes. It will be enough for your speaking journey, for your learning journey. It can change your life. It might be helpful for you, my dear brothers and sisters. Just listen 2 minutes carefully. So, you are living in this world. We are not living another planet. We are living the same world. So, if we can do something better, so why you can't? Just listen carefully. And today in this video, I would love to share with you 2 things very special for your life. First, how can we learn English? By following a routine. I know very well you are super busy with work, with other things, but never give up. You have a dream. I have a dream. We all have a dream. So, dear brothers and sisters, you have to work on your dream. You have to work for your dream. No one can help you. You have to take your own responsibility. Actually, I have made lots of video on this topic. By the way, today my topic was what is the routine actually for learning English. Dear brothers, if you can give 4 hours every day, that will be enough for your journey. You don't need to all things. You don't need to any practicing partner. In this video, I would love to share with you how can you practice English by yourself. You don't need anyone. You can practice yourself. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to think about it. You have to be a positive person. You have to have positive mentality, dear brothers and sisters. You have to have. First hour you have to read, and second hour you have to write, and third hour you have to speak, and fourth hour you have to listen. Dear brothers and sisters, if you can give 4 hours every day, every single day, your English 100% will be improved. I will grant you. Just do it every single day. And please try to grab my words so that you can understand my words. I know very well you are so motivated right now. You are so confident right now. And you think I can speak English better than others. Yeah, brothers, you have ability. Because you're thinking like me, you're thinking better way. Absolutely, I appreciate you actually, dear brothers and sisters. You have an ability, I know very well. You have a capacity. Just it's time you have to prove yourself in front of the public place, in front of the people, in front of the public place, everywhere. You have a capacity, you have a brain. You know very well I'm not a talented student. I'm just a middle class student, you can say average student. I'm not talented. Dear brothers and sisters, you can speak English better than me. Your English already so good. And some brothers gave me message, brother, I want to talk with you. You're speaking so nice. And I noticed one thing very clearly. They are speaking so nice better than me. They can speak English because of their poor confidence. You have to express your thoughts without any hesitation, without any nervousness, without any doubt. Just express yourselves in front of camera, in front of public place. Sometimes you feel very shy. You have to accept it, brother. You are learning so many new things from here, from there, by making mistakes. And you know very well you have to go through a struggle. Without a struggle, nothing will be possible. That's why you have to understand it. And those things are really important for you, my dear brothers and sisters. You have to understand it. You have to think it. You have to think about it. You have to think about it. If you like my video, please let me know. And if you are watching my video from YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for this video. All the best.